How to tag someone on Instagram story. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to tag someone on Instagram story, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What we need to do first is to head into the Instagram app on the phone. Then when we are on the Instagram app, then we need to click on this plus symbol right here. And after that, we need to click where it says story. Now we will be able to post a story, so just choose the picture or video that you want to post. Then when you are in here, just click on this symbol right here. And then we need to click where it says mention. Now in here, just write the name of the account that you want to tag. You can even move it around if you want. So this is exactly how to tag someone on Instagram story. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.